と眠くです。Today, I'm going to make Korean style pork bone soup. For that, we need fresh pork bone, then hot pepper paste, soybean paste, any veg you like, and this is pepper flake, 2 potato, 2 onion, and 1 green onion. Also, we need garlic. What's so funny? Let's get started. Hey. Boil this with water just to clean it first. Use the boiling water. If you have cooking wine, use a cooking wine. This helps the pork to be cleaner. And just cook everything for 5 minutes.
Why 5 minutes?
Don't ask me the question, I can't answer.
Okay. Like until it doesn't have like a red thing.
Yeah.
Right?
The steps is to cook the blood out. While cooking this, I'm gonna cut onions and potatoes. Be careful. Gonna cut the peeled potato.
Why are you putting the potato?
Because you should put the potato.
Why?
You don't want the potato? Okay, I'll throw this away. Stop the question. Stop. Okay, this is finished. The potato here. We're gonna use cold water to wash it again. Let's cook. Till the onion is semi-transparent, you can add the pork bone. Let's see what happens in 20 minutes. Let me try this. I think this is not salty enough. We should add more soy sauce and salt. White pepper. This is to add more flavor. Turn it off. That's it. We're finished.
Nope.
Nice soup. Opinion?
Yeah.
It's really good that the potato is like super soft. See, this is so soft. The meat is very nice too.
I think this is quite similar that I tried in Korean restaurant.
Really?
So, how's your rate?
9.5 out of 10. I think I can make it better. Yeah, I think it's taking too long though. But if you have time, please make this.
Nope. Wow.
Let's do this. Hey.